to school this morning. 25 in, 65 miles to go. Let's go. We have to school this morning. I'm going to teach a woman. We have to school this morning.